Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering essentials, admin credentials, and the 2FA device because secure access prevents accidental sends. Once logged in, make sure you select the correct environment, production versus sandbox, so you don't send test messages to real users. Next, locate the API key and sender ID in account settings, copy them securely. Make sure allowed IPs are set, and then proceed to the dashboard to begin composing your first campaign, because that's where sending workflows live. Now you build the message and delivery rules. Start a campaign, name it clearly, and pick the sender ID that affects recognition. Write a concise message with personalization tokens for names or codes. Short links reduce character count. Once done, configure rate limits and retry logic so you avoid carrier throttling, and set delivery windows to respect local times. Also add tracking and opt-out handling. These settings control how and when recipients actually receive the SMS. You're ready to send? Start with a small test batch to verify delivery and links because tests catch formatting and opt-out issues. After launch, monitor delivery reports and error codes in real time. Dashboards show throughput, failures, and engagement. If messages fail, check quotas, IP allow list, sender ID approval, and message format. Incorrect encoding often breaks delivery. Finally, scale gradually and keep retry policies tuned so you maintain deliverability while minimizing carrier rejections and protecting your sender reputation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.